Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain Marvel Rivals account progression. Many players wonder if their progress, like unlocked characters and cosmetics, carries over between PlayStation 5 and PC. While Marvel Rivals does offer crossplay for casual modes, it currently does not have cross-progression. However, the development team has stated that they are actively working to bring this highly requested feature to the game in the future. As of now, if you play Marvel Rivals on your PlayStation 5, your progress, including all your hard-earned unlocks and any purchases, remains exclusively on that console. Should you decide to play on PC, you would essentially be starting a brand new account. This means no shared skins, no transferred achievements, and no in-game currency moving between your PlayStation and PC profiles. While direct progression transfer isn't available, you can still link your PlayStation account to your Marvel Rivals profile on the official game website. This process involves logging into your PlayStation Network credentials through the Marvel Rivals site. Keep in mind, this linking primarily serves to connect your identity and may be for community rewards or to set the stage for when full cross-progression eventually arrives. The delay in implementing cross-progression is due to several complex factors. Game developers must navigate intricate platform-specific rules and policies from companies like Sony and Microsoft. Additionally, revenue-sharing agreements for in-game purchases across different storefronts present a significant business challenge. Despite these hurdles, the Marvel Rivals team is actively working to resolve these issues, aiming to deliver a seamless cross-progression experience for everyone in the future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.